I made over £45,000 with 2 YouTube videos, a 5-day challenge, and a workbook in 1 month. It wasn't luck, it wasn't because I'm special, it was soft, it was quiet, but still strategic. It took me 4 years to learn this, but I'm going to share it with you in 15 minutes. Clock in. In 2020, my mom passed away and I fell pregnant. In 2021, I became a single mom, handed in my resignation during my maternity leave while broke, in debt, and no money. But I've been creating content for 3 years whilst working a full-time job at this point, and I had almost nothing to show for it besides 20,000 subscribers. Not because I wasn't working hard enough, I was exhausted. Not because I wasn't consistent enough, I was posting 3 YouTube videos in a week. The content was going out, but the money wasn't coming in, and I couldn't figure out why. But when I went all in after handing in my resignation, I made a decision that changed everything. I decided I wasn't going to try harder, I was going to become different. Not a different niche, not a different strategy, but a different woman. Because for 3 years, I've been creating content as the woman who was trying to grow. The woman who was hoping that something was going to land. The woman who was creating from the energy of needing it to work. But I made a decision to create as the 100k subscriber version of me. Not the woman I was, not the woman who was asking how, but the woman I was becoming. What does she post? How does she speak? What does she change? What does she say yes or no to? What does she lead with without apology? I wrote it all down, her standards, her non-negotiables, her way of showing up. And then I created as her before I had the results to justify it. Before anyone was watching, I showed up as the woman who was already paid, already visible, already certain. And it wasn't an immediate shift, but within a few months to a year, my content started to feel different because it was coming from a different woman. You will never outperform your identity. The strategy, the hooks, the posting schedules, they all follow the identity. But like I said, it wasn't immediate. I spent 2 years posting and getting 200 views, 500 views, because I needed the data to understand what was working and what wasn't working. So after months of posting, I sat down and audited my visibility, really looked through at what content was reaching people, what was making people click through and take action. Auditing my visibility made me realize that it wasn't about growing a big audience, it was about attracting the right one. And that's when I saw the pattern, not just in one video. I took what was working in all these different videos and combined it to create content that spoke directly to the right people. Because data isn't a report card, it's not just vanity metric, it's a mirror. It shows you which version of yourself your audience responds to. And when you learn to read it that way, you know exactly what to do next and how to scale your previous success. This is one of the most important distinctions that you can take away from this video. Big audience and the right audience are 2 completely different things. And the women who are making quiet money, the consistent, sustainable kind, aren't always the ones with the biggest following. They're the ones whose content speaks so specifically, so precisely, so unmistakably to a type of person that when she finds her content, she feels like she's been looking for her whole life. I stopped creating broad content and started creating specific content, specific to her desires, her fears, her goals, her identity. A message that's aligned to the content that she shares or sends to her friends in the group chat, what keeps her up at night, the question she's afraid to ask out loud, the life that she wants but is afraid that it will never be possible for her. I spoke differently to her. I named her, I called her in, and she came. Not in the millions, but in the right numbers. Women who watch my videos and immediately went to check the link in my description box, who bought without even thinking about it, who sent me a DM saying they found me and they just knew. You don't need to reach everyone, you just need to reach the right one. That's the framework that I'll be teaching in the 14-day visibility challenge, where you'll go from invisible to visible in 14 days and start making quiet money and being paid for who you are and not how many hours you work. Sign up before the challenge starts and I'll see the women who are ready to become the woman who gets paid to be seen inside the room. The 2 YouTube videos which were the catalyst to me making over £45,000 in a month were what I like to call add to cart content. It's not educational content, it's not inspirational content, it's not even entertainment entertainment content. It is content that makes the right person think, I need this right now. A lot of people think that in order to sell their own product or service, they need to create educational content. They give value, they inspire, they educate. Wonder why their following might be growing, but their income isn't. But educational content serves the viewer. Add to cart content serves the buyer. Add to cart content speaks to desire. It names what she wants and shows her that it's possible and available. And it makes people feel that you are the only person who can give it to them in the specific way that they need it. And that's where the £45,000 came from. Not just from going viral, but from speaking directly to the woman who was looking for exactly what I was offering. Those two YouTube videos did exactly that. They called in the women who were ready to buy. They called in the women who were ready to invest. And that's the same women who bought the 5-day challenge and the workbook. But none of that would have made me £45,000 if I hadn't had anything ready for them to invest in. And this is the part that most people leave out when they tell a story like this. The visibility brought them in, but the offer is what made the money. When I saw that the video was bringing in the right women, I quickly created an I need this product and service. I already knew how to package my knowledge into something that she could buy. I knew how to create a landing page that spoke directly to her. I knew how to create an email automation that walked her from curious to converted without me manually having to show up. I knew how to create feminine automated systems where my business ran while I lived my life. 80% of the heavy lifting is done by the system, by everything behind the scenes that people can't see. And then 20% is done by me showing up. So not just the content, but the offer and the infrastructure around the content. Because let's be real, visibility without a way to monetize it is just attention. And as an introvert, I knew that I didn't want to be a big influencer, to have massive numbers and all the spotlight on me. I just wanted to make quiet money, consistent, automated, while you sleep kind of money. And that's exactly what I built. But like I said, I'm not special, I'm not lucky. I did this at 33, an immigrant, as a single mom with no money, broke, and no clue what I was doing. And that's how I built this framework, which I'm so excited to share with you in the 14-day visibility challenge. So if you want to go from hustling to making quiet money, make sure you sign up and I will see you inside. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and money. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye, lovelies.